At Nexmosphere, we offer several controller series, ranging from the small XN controllers for connecting a few sensors up to the expandable XM controllers for complex and large-scale projects. In this video, we zoom in on the middle range, the XC controllers. More specifically, we'll explain and demo the XC-900 series, which are designed for applications which require audio switching. The XC-900 series controllers come in a compact form factor and can be powered using either a 12-volt or 24-volt DC power supply. Communication with your digital signage player is done via the micro USB connector next to the power input. As with all our controllers, any of the elements can be connected to the available X-Talk interfaces. Depending on the specific XC-900 model, there are either 4 or 8 X-Talk interfaces available on the controller. Additionally to these X-Talk channels comes the functionality that defines the XC-900 series, the option to switch an incoming audio stream to a connected speaker or headphone. The controller has an audio input connector to which the audio stream from your digital signage player is connected. There are 4 audio output switches that connect speakers or headphones and redirect and play the audio stream. The audio switches can be controlled individually and can be set on or off by sending serial commands from the connected digital signage player to the XC controller. So you can dynamically switch the audio to one speaker or to multiple speakers at once. Over here, we have a demo of a typical retail application on which you can start an audio demo on a speaker by pressing one of the 3 buttons. When switching from one speaker to another, this switch is immediate and seamless. As you can connect any of our elements, you can also add other sensors, such as presence sensors or touch buttons, or replace the buttons with other type of input sensors. Over here, we made another demo example in which we have replaced the push buttons with XT-EF30 AirButtons. These allow the customer to start a demo simply by hovering their hand above the sensor in front of the speaker. The XC-900 series come in different models. The XC-940 models have analog in and outputs, whereas the 930 models have optical mini SPDIF in and outputs. So next to switching audio to speakers and headphones with analog input, as in the demo that we've just showed, you can also do the same with audio devices with optical inputs, for example soundbars or surround systems. Another option, next to the sensor input and audio switches, is to add LED control to your setup on the same controller. This can either be regular RGBW LED outputs or light mark interfaces, which can control digital pixel LED strips. We've expanded the previous demo with the LED lighting to give you an idea of how it can be applied. We connected one single pixel LED strip to a light mark interface on an XC-947 controller and virtually divided it into 3 segments, which we use to highlight the activated speaker. Of course, these examples are just one of the many setups you can create with an XC-900 series controller. In case more audio switching, X-Talk channels or LED outputs are required, our modular XM platform would be the best solution for your application. In the video on the right, we explain more about these controllers. If you would like to have more information or need advice for a project, please contact us at applications@nexmosphere.com. Thanks.